Hello guys, welcome to my new YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about a very important topic in software testing, which is called as regression testing. As a part of this video, we are going to talk about what is regression testing, when we should perform this testing, what are the types of this testing. So let's get started. Regression testing is nothing but it is the process of retesting the software application to ensure that the changes has not caused any new issues. So testing the unchanged feature of an application to make sure that adding a feature or deleting a feature or modifying a feature or fixing the defect is not impacting the unchanged feature of an application. It is called as regression testing. I know guys you cannot understand this definition. Let me tell you step by step. So why are you testing the unchanged feature? You are going to test the unchanged feature because if developer would have added some feature or developer deleted some feature or developer modified some feature or developer fixed some defect. So testing this unchanged feature as a part of regression testing to make sure that whatever developer has done in this all four, because of this four my unchanged features are not impacted or not affected, to make sure that by doing this regression testing. So this is called as regression testing, and we'll go for now we are going to talk about what are the various types of regression testing. So depending upon the modification or changes done by the developers, regression testing are classified into three types: unit testing, regional testing, and full regression testing. Unit regression testing is nothing but testing only the changed part or modification part is called as unit regression testing. I'll repeat it again. Testing only the changed part or the modification part, it is called as unit regression testing. Suppose you are having an application in which you are having an username and password. Let me show you example. Now developer has changed some feature in username text field and password text field, because of which when you are entering your username and password and you are clicking in the login button, it is not allowing you to proceed with the home page. It is not taking you to the home page. It will display some different thing as password is not matching, or it will going to the blank page. This is happening because developer has changed some changes in username and password text field. So in that case, what we will do? We will do the unit regression testing. Testing only the changed part as well as the modification part. It is called as unit regression testing. So now what do you mean by regional regression testing? Let me show you definition. Regional regression testing, testing the changed part as well as the impacted area is called as regional regression testing. So let me show you example. Suppose you are having an application which is consisting of four modules. Now developer has changed some feature in modification in module D, and but it is impacting in module A and module C. That time you will do regional regression testing, testing the changed feature and also the impacted area. That is called as regional regression testing. Now the question arises, how will you get to know impacted areas on my impacted modules? So before proceeding to the testing, there will be a meeting. There is a meeting which is called as impact analysis meeting. It is meeting conducted by test engineers or business analyst or product manager, in which the developer, test engineers and product manager will sit together and they will decide the developer has changed some module in module D, which and all features are going to affect and which can all features can affect. So by doing this impact analysis meeting, the QA or testers will get correct understanding. So we will go for full regression testing now. Regression testing, the testing the unchanged feature and also the remaining part of an application, or if developer has done some changes in application in most of the modules without wasting the time in finding the impacted or damaged areas, proceeding with the full regression testing. Let me show you example. So this is full regression testing. So in full regression testing, it is nothing but testing the changed feature and also the remaining part of an application. It is called as full regression testing. As part of the regression testing, no matter where the developer has changed, if you are doing full regression testing, that means you have to test not only the changed part but all the remaining part of an application. That means you have to test changed feature as well as all the features. Suppose you we're having an application consisting of 6 modules. The developer has changed in B, C, D, E and F module. Finally, what you will do, not only change a feature, but you will test all the remaining features in application. What is the reason? Why you will test all feature? Because if developer are doing some changes in most of the module, don't waste time in finding out which all the impacted areas. It is waste of time. In that time, highly preferable for full regression testing or proceed with full regression testing. This is known as full regression testing. If you have any doubts in this video, please list out your doubts and put it in comment box. Thank you guys. If you guys like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like my video. Thank you.